Hi, I'm Jason Veenstra with the Veenstra Team, brokered by eXp Realty. And thank you so much for taking a moment to review my seller proposal here on Realtor.com's UpNest platform. So, selling your home is a major decision, and choosing the right agent matters. Our family has actually been serving Greater Kalamazoo in West Michigan since 1986. And our team offers over 70 years of combined experience and a proven system that has helped more than 2,500 families sell successfully. So we don't just list homes, we strategically launch them. That includes data-driven pricing, professional photography and video, broad online exposure, consistent buyer feedback, and strong negotiation to protect your bottom line. Behind the scenes, our full team manages the contract to close process so you're informed, supported, and never left wondering what comes next. I would love to learn more about your home, your goals, and your ideal timeline. Message me here on the platform or feel free to call or text at 269-350-5514. Thanks again for considering us. I'd be honored to guide you through a smooth and successful sale.